everybody! So it is time for me to show you how much I got done with my kit for March. So for March I was working with the Gingham Gardens kit from My Mind's Eye that Christina sent me. And let's see what I have left. So these are the alphabets I had to pull in for one of my layouts because I needed numbers. We still have most of those, and actually those I'm just going to put right over into my kit for April. This is the sticker sheet. As you can see, I have very, very few stickers left. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers left. That's about it. I have a lot of these stickers left over. These, if it wasn't that I still had E's, I would be like, these are done and we're tossing them. But I still have E's. So I'm going to move them into the next kit for April too and see how that works because there's still E's there. Okay, these Loving Life stickers, they're just going to go right into my stash. Now, paper. What do I have left with paper? Now, this includes the cardstock, right? This is what I have left of the paper. I killed this kit in a gigantic way. This is all the paper I have left. Okay, I still have lots of the washi tape, but washi tape never goes, so that's fine. What did I make? Okay, so I'm going to start with my Project Life album. This is my Project Life album for 2020. And so I did 2 weeks of Project Life. You can see how far behind I am. I'm at week 2 and 3, and it's, what, like week 20 something? Anyway, but I did 2 weeks. So I did 2 weeks. I did week 2, and I did week 3. And I did pull in from my stash some of the cards from last month's kit, so February's kit, and some of the papers from February's kit. And then I did pull in for this one some epoxy flares. And then I just gotten a new stamp set from Allie Edwards. I bought 2 of them during her stamp sale. And I used one to kind of create my own card right there. And these inks are Bellini and Coral Cabana from Catherine Pooler that I'm currently in love with. Like, these are my favorite colors right now. And then this one has a lot of the my How to Kill a kit, except for there's some, I buy some items from Color Cast Designs. She has the best, like, thinnest lovely wood veneer ever, so I buy stuff from her quite often and use it in my Project Life. There are some epoxy flares, but I used up the last 3 cameras and things like that. So I did 2 weeks in Project Life. And then I also made 2 cards that I can send to anyone. I used the last of my scraps. I used one of those E's. And I used those stick-it thickers for this one. And then the layouts, which I am sure you have seen because they all have process videos. So we have this one. This was the one that I saved all of my scraps from. And even after I backed this entire cut file, I still made 2 cards and 2 Project Life spreads. And so we have that one. This is the 8.5 by 11 one. There are videos for all 4 of these layouts. So where I fussy cut the flowers and such. This one, which I know everyone loves, this one turned out so nice that I used that mixed media background I had saved. That doesn't go here. We have an errant button. And I fussy cut the little butterflies. This one turned out super pretty. I'm very happy with that one. And then this was the first one that I did, which includes the stamp set, which I've already put back into my stash. And then I used the epoxy flower that I had included in my kit. So those are the 4 layouts and the 2 Project Life spreads and 2 cards. So I really, really, really killed this kit. I had a great time doing it, and I'm really hoping that I can go ahead and kill another one in April. All right, I'll see you tomorrow with my new kit share. Bye!